The Lord, intent on the regeneration of the world, communicated Vedas through Hiranyagarbha, who in turn passed them on to his 10 mental sons, Manasa Putras, including Atri and Marichi. From them, the Vedas spread among humanity, handed down from one generation to another. As time passed and ages accumulated and continents moved, some Vedas got lost, or were neglected as too difficult for comprehension. And only 4 have survived into modern times. These 4 were taught in the Dwapara era to his disciples by Vedavyasa, the greatest of the exponents of the Vedas. When Vyasa was thus expounding the Vedas, engaged in spreading the sacred scripture, one disciple of his, Yajnavalkya by name, incurred his wrath. As punishment, Yajnavalkya had to regurgitate the Yajur Veda, which he had already learned, into the custody of his guru, leave the place, and take refuge in the divine sun, Surya Deva, the treasure house of the Vedas. Just then, the sages, who revered the Vedas, flew into the place in the shape of partridges, Tithiri, and ate up the regurgitated Yajur Veda. That particular section of the Veda is called Taithiriya. Meanwhile, the sun was pleased with the devotion and steadfastness of the unfortunate Yajnavalkya. He assumed the form of a horse, Vaji, and blessed the sage with renewed knowledge of the Yajur Veda. The version thus taught by the horse came to be called Vajasaneyi. The Yajur Veda as promoted by Vedavyasa is called Krishna Yajur Veda, that handed down by Yajnavalkya, Shukla Yajur Veda. Krishna means black, Shukla, white.